July 2025 marked a break in the series of heat records that characterized the summers of 2023 and 2024, according to the European Union's Copernicus Climate Service. Let's see more details.
According to the latest Copernicus bulletin, despite mildly cooler temperatures, July 2025 was still the third warmest July globally, with an average surface air temperature of 16.68 degrees C, 0.45 degrees C, above the 1991 to 2020 average. This data is studied with the European Union's Earth observation system, called Nicolas, and it is based on satellite and on-the-ground data collection.
Based on our data, the global average temperature for July 2025 was the third warmest on record. So behind July 2023, which was the hottest July on record, in July 2024. If we look at the global average SST, it was also the third warmest on record, behind again, July 2023 and 2024. So third warmest for both the global average surface temperature over the entire globe and the global average SST, just looking at the ocean surface.
According to Nicolas, global warming is being massively absorbed by oceans and sea, but this crucial function hides dangerous consequences.
And we are really coming out of a streak of global temperature record that lasted almost 2 years. So from mid-2023 to earlier this year, so up until January 2025. So it was a very exceptional streak of global temperature record. And we are coming out of this streak with the last few months, where we saw the global average temperature slightly decreasing.
The increased trend of the Mediterranean Sea temperature is about 3 times faster. If we calculate how many degrees Celsius per year the water is warming in the Mediterranean, 3 times higher than the global average trend. This means that if we take an average across all global oceans, that's 1/3 of the average increase for the Mediterranean Sea.
Extreme weather event will continue happening as long as the long-term, it's really like the long-term warming trend continues. And as long as we don't stop emitting greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, we'll see this warming trend continuing. But that's, I think, yeah, something to keep in mind. Is it's not because we are seeing the end of the global temperature records that we will see the end of this extreme weather event, sadly. So we need really to prepare for them and just continue efforts just to reduce greenhouse gas emissions.
The Mediterranean Sea is warming on its surface, but not only there, because the heat absorbed is then spread to the deeper layers of the Mediterranean Sea. It is warming up at a rate that is higher than the global average.